Unfortunately, our boy Qui is gone. His lightsaber style has about 6 minutes of content to build a style around. That being said, he has a few movements that get repeated pretty consistently through these 6 minutes of saber wielding, enough that we can create a short kata that captures the essence of his movement style.
You'll start with it at your hip, left foot forward, right foot in your stance, and then you're going to wrist roll forward into a ready position. This is fun to do where your lightsaber's off, and then you just click and wrist roll, and then ready. How that wrist roll works is it's slash, wrist roll, up to the side. Slash, wrist roll. And I like to activate with my pinky, so that when I'm here, I have the right length of grip. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna step forward and we're gonna cross slash. That cross slash is going to rotate around, and we're gonna lift our arm up, and it's gonna go past our head, and we're gonna step forward and cross slash the other direction. Step and cross slash, rotate above, step, slash, rotate above. Then we're gonna step back, slash, rotate, above, step back, slash, rotate, above. We're gonna go back and up as we step forward. Then we're gonna go back and up as we step forward. Then we're gonna land back to ready. Go 1, 2, 3. We're gonna spin off that front foot or on the heel. Place your back foot in front. Low sweep, back to ready. Fast, it looks like this. Cross slash, rotate up. Cross slash, rotate up. Cross slash, rotate up. Cross slash, rotate up. Step and slash. Step and slash. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1.